Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta.
Good evening, ma'am.
सभी बच्चे ध्यान से सुने बेटा कि आप लोग जब चैट बॉक्स में कुछ लिखते हो ना, तो आप कोई भी बात ऐसी मत लिखिए जो आपत्तिजनक हो। ठीक है, तो किसी भी बच्चे ने चैट बॉक्स में सिर्फ स्टडी की रिगार्डिंग ही बात लिखनी है, कुछ और नहीं लिखना। ओके बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
ओके मैम।
Okay, ma'am.
यस, सभी बच्चे आप बहुत अच्छे हो बेटा, लेकिन जब कभी कोई भी ऐसा बच्चा शरारत कर देता है तो उससे सभी बच्चों के ऊपर बात आ जाती है। आप सभी बच्चे बहुत नाइस हो, तो बेटा कोई भी बात जो स्टडी से रिलेटेड नहीं है वो बेटा आपने नहीं लिखनी है। ओके
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
गुड गुड
Okay.
बेटा।
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
गुड इवनिंग मैम।
All of you write your name, school name in chat box. Okay, let's start. Today we are going to start with noun. Interjection, we are done. Interjection as a part of speech. Today we will start with noun. Clear?
ओके मैम।
Do you have any doubt in interjection portion?
No, ma'am.
And are you preparing your notes as well? Whatever topics are we covering in classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my screen is visible, Biche?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay, noun. Noun are the
Yes.
naming words, all the words which we use to name some person, place, thing, idea, and animal. Till now you were doing this only 4 parts. Now we have one more thing, that is idea is also a noun. It is very important to understand and identify noun, because whenever we are talking and using sentences, so it is a main activity where we need to find out noun. On basis of that, we have to find other part of speech, that what action is done by a noun, so what is adjective of the noun. So our first that's the reason we are doing noun, and we will cover so many things in this. Now idea, now let's take person. Person, these are the pronouns he and she which we use for person. Mother, father, David, particular name of any person, so that is noun of person. Now noun of place, whatever place you talk about, like school, ground, uh, garden, you can say it as a country also, continents also, Asia, India, Indian Ocean, school. So these are all places where you can go, so that is comes under the noun of place. Now noun of things, all the things which are used by a noun, mostly non-living things come under this category. And animals, all the animals, that is noun of animals. Now we have this honesty, friendship, loyalty, these things you think in your mind, so these are also noun. Honesty means ईमानदारी, friendship dosti, loyalty वफादारी, anger गुस्सा, wisdom बुद्धिमत्ता, and memory is to recognize, to memorize something. See, These two words, wisdom and memory, both are related to your mind. Here, you use your mind to find out some new ideas. ठीक है, let's suppose you are given a work, आपको कोई काम दिया है और आप then you will use your wisdom here. It's a बुद्धिमत्ता कि how you can effectively complete that task. उस काम को बहुत अच्छे से कम टाइम में कैसे यूज कर सकते हो, कैसे कंप्लीट कर सकते हो उस एक्टिविटी को. एंड मेमोरी इज टू स्टोर समथिंग इन योर माइंड. आपके दिमाग में अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि आपने कल क्या स्टडी की थी, देन यू विल रिकॉल योर माइंड. आप अपने माइंड को रिकॉल करेंगे. दैट इज memory. So both words are related to mind, but in other aspects, both have different meaning. So whenever any word come to you that seems बहुत similar से लगते हैं, उनका meaning समझ में नहीं आता, तो try to find out exact meaning and you can find out some sentences also related to that. Okay, is there any other doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, honesty,
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
honesty and loyalty, मुझे बहुत similar से meaning दिख रहे हैं. Can you differentiate them? आप इसका meaning समझा सकते हैं? Honesty and loyalty.
Ma'am, honesty, ईमानदारी.
And loyalty.
वफादारी.
How they are different? ये दोनों words कैसे different हैं? In respect to meaning. It's confusing, na?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this way you have to understand yourself that how you will find out the difference of these two words. Clear? You can find out some
Yes.
sentences related to them and find out exact meanings. What the honesty is like 50 rupees is given to you, okay, or you are finding any 50 rupees, whether you are giving that this to the exact person or not, आप अपनी ईमानदारी से उसको वापस करते हो या नहीं करते. और loyalty is a भरोसा. देखो, honesty is done by you. This is you and this is your friend. ठीक है, आप उसके लिए honest हो या नहीं हो, आप honesty आप शो करेंगे और loyalty आपका friend शो करेगा to you कि वो आप पे कितना loyal है या नहीं है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Now in noun,
Okay, ma'am.
two more common topics are there: noun number and noun gender. Noun numbers comes to one and many, where we study one and many. Why we need to study one and many? What is the use of this? Noun number. See, when we talk about one cat and cats, okay? Noun number, one cat and more than one cat. When we will use only cat word in our sentence, the cat is running and the cats are running. So one many changes grammatically our sentences. They are affecting our sentences grammatically when we use them. So we need to understand whether we are using one or many, singular form of noun or plural form. Clear? Now,
Yeah.
noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Okay, noun number.
Yes, ma'am.
See, noun number is singular and plural. Okay, it's like one and many form. One means only one and many means more than two. Two and more than two, that is many. Why we need to find out whether noun is in a singular form or in a plural form? Let's take an example, that cat. And what is plural form of this is cats. Okay. When we use the word cat, the cat is running. Okay. लेकिन जब हम cats word use करेंगे यहाँ पे, cats, what it will become is are. The cats are running. So our sentence is changing grammatically. ठीक है, we need to correct our sentence grammatically whenever we have noun numbers. Whenever we are using singular form or plural form, हमें अपने sentences को check करना है, correct करना है. That's why it is very important to understand noun number and correct form of that also. Okay, can you tell me? Let me. What is this?
Wolf, ma'am. Plural form of wolf.
Yes. Okay. So this way we can find out this is plural or this is singular. Clear? Fine. We need to learn these noun number, and we have one more category, noun gender. Till now you have done only masculine and feminine. We have now two more categories, noun as a common gender and a neuter gender. First of all, you might be very clear that he and she, male and female, male comes under masculine gender and females come under feminine gender. Is this clear? Can you give me some examples for this?
Father, mother, boy, girl. Dog, witch.
Yes. And now we have one more. Yes, beta.
Horse and mare.
Yes. Now common gender and neuter gender. See, all non-living things. Non-living things come under this category. Okay? Where you cannot identify whether it's a male or a female. So all these come like ink pot. Can you tell me gender of chair? Chair is a girl or a boy? Bed.
Ma'am, chair is a non-living thing.
Yes. So these come under neuter gender. Okay? And common gender. Let's take an example like this is your class and it's a group. These are girls. And these are boys. Okay, so to this group we can say these are girls. Okay, feminine gender, and these boys comes under masculine gender. But when we want to call them all together, so what you will say to them?
Group.
Group of
Students.
Yes, they are students. So you will call them students. Common noun it's a noun which denotes या तो male है या female है और maybe combination of both. इसमें दोनों भी हो सकते हैं. So students, professor, baby. So these come under common gender. So can you give me some more example of common gender?
Doctor, teacher.
Yes.
Doctor.
Which can be both. Like doctor can be can have both category. Doctor, female doctor can be there and male doctor can be there. Yes, other students?
Ma'am, advocate.
You can say all professions.
Ma'am, tailor.
Professions. All professions come under this category. Which can be
Yes,
a male or a female also. Animal, children, servant, enemy. Okay, musician. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Clear.
Yes, beta. Vanchika, you want to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now type of noun. First of all, let's go for this proper noun. We have one more noun, material noun. I forgot to write that. Material. It's too hard to write with mouse. See, proper noun. Proper noun is a specific name of a, is a particular name of a person. जब हम, let's suppose one boy is there and we have given them, so many boys are there. Okay, we have given them name. Like his name is A, his name is B. Why we give them name? हम उन्हें नाम क्यों देते हैं? To identify, उन्हें पहचानने के लिए, ठीक है? अगर आप इस ग्रुप में से अगर इनको बोलोगे बॉयज कम हियर, सो एनीवन विल कम. इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ पर्टिकुलर नेम, कि लेट्स सपोज हिज नेम इज रवि, you are taking a particular name, the Ravi come here, so this boy will come. Clear? उन्हें पहचानने के लिए. Proper noun में noun of place, ठीक है? Place, thing, animal. इनका अपना particular, like city you are talking about अमृतसर, चंडीगढ़. So these are proper name. जब आपको पता है कि आप किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? And when it is non-specific, आपको आप फिक्स नहीं है. देखो, if you are talking about city, city में भी अमृतसर, चंडीगढ़, ठीक है, दिल्ली. You're talking about these cities. आपको पता है कि आप दिल्ली के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Where Delhi is, where Amritsar is. So that becomes proper noun. But when you are talking generally about any city, कोई भी city के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, आप सिटी का नाम, you are not taking any specific name कि आप इस सिटी के बारे में बात करो, that comes under common noun. Common noun and proper noun are somehow some related. अगर वो कैटेगरी है तो it becomes common noun. लेकिन अगर आप उसका नाम ले रहे हैं तो that becomes proper noun. Can you give me some more examples of common noun?
Ma'am,
chair,
palace.
table,
Indian.
Ma'am, book.
Yes. अगर आप let's suppose you are talking about English grammar book, then what it becomes?
common noun,
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Okay, let's take an example like car. Okay, one name of the car is Audi. ठीक है, one is Mahindra, and one is BMW. So when you are taking the exact name ना, name of the company, so it become proper noun. लेकिन अब if you are talking about just car, तो it may be any car. कोई भी company की cars होती है, तो it becomes a common noun. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am,
Now like you are using laptop, ठीक है? आप अगर आपको इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है ना, आप ये चीज देखो, जो भी आप चीज whatever noun you are talking about, अगर आप इसके फर्दर इसको रीनेम कर सकते हो ना, लाइक लैपटॉप, टीवी, ठीक है? आप इनका टीवी विच कंपनी, सैमसंग और एलजी. सो अगर आप इसको फर्दर नेम कर सकते हो तो दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन एंड इट बिकम्स कॉमन नाउन. Clear? Difference between common noun and proper noun?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am,
Now we have here it collective noun. It refers
Ma'am,
to,
group of people.
yes, it refers to a group as a whole. जब हम एक ग्रुप को as a one unit बना के बात करते हैं तो it becomes collective noun. Now like family, flock is a group, flock of birds. Audience, what audience is?
Ma'am, group.
Yes.
Group of
collective noun,
No, audience is not a group, beta. Audience is a yes, group of people who have come to listen something, like they have come to listen music, concert, and if anyone is giving, any debate is there, so people are sitting who are listening, so that is audience. but we take them as a one unit. ठीक है? So many people are sitting. They may be of different category, different gender, but when we take them as a one unit, it becomes a group. Like family, in your family, you have one baby, your grandfather, grandmother, father, your uncle, aunt, your brother, sister. So, ठीक है? But when we take them as a one group, so it becomes family. Flock, a flock of, yes, birds. ठीक है? When different birds
A
are
flock of birds.
we when one group is there and so many birds are there, we take them as a one unit, it becomes a flock of birds. Collective noun is when we collect them as one unit. Now next is abstract.
मैम
Yes beta.
मैम फैमिली हो सकती कलेक्टिव नाउन?
Yes. Now abstract noun, we can feel abstract noun, हम इनको feel कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? But we cannot touch it, हम इसको touch नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? What you can feel? What things you can feel?
Happiness, sadness.
मैम हैप्पीनेस, सैडनेस.
Yes, hate, happiness, pride. Belief means विश्वास. आप विश्वास को feel कर सकते हैं, but you cannot touch that. It's not an object. It's not like a pencil and eraser and your bag and books कि you can touch that. आप इसको feel कर सकते हैं. Like pride also. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
Yes, बेटा.
ma'am, here.
Yes, air you can feel. What else?
Ma'am, temperature.
Yes. Now we have two more categories, countable and uncountable noun. Countable, as the word explain itself, countable noun which you can count in numbers. ठीक है? Count in numbers like 1, 2, 3.
मैम
in
जैसे एप्पल.
Yes, like apple. Un is a prefix. Un word is a prefix in this. Prefix which is used before the noun. Able is suffix which is added after the word, and count is our root word. Okay, tell me, आप कोई वर्ड ऐसा हो सकता है जिसमें रूट वर्ड ना हो या प्रीफिक्स और सफिक्स को ही ज्वाइन कर दें आप? इज इट पॉसिबल? अगर किसी वर्ड में
No
रूट
idea,
वर्ड नहीं
ma'am.
है तो इज इट पॉसिबल सिर्फ उस वर्ड में सफिक्स या प्रीफिक्स होंगे या फिर दोनों होंगे?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Always prefix and suffix are added to the root word. ये हमेशा root word में add किए जाते हैं. Now you can count pencil, clock, train, ठीक है? But you cannot count milk, music, food, snow, rice. Okay, tell me what is the difference between milk, a glass of milk? Which one is countable and which one is uncountable?
A glass of milk is a countable.
glass
Milk
of
is
milk
uncountable.
Countable and milk is uncountable.
Why?
Because,
Because
ma'am,
we can count glasses.
Because we can't count that.
Milk can be counted in liters.
How you can count a glass of water and not a milk?
मैम हम ग्लासेस को काउंट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, here we are counting glass, a glass of milk, 2 glasses of.
मैम बट हम मिल्क को काउंट नहीं कर सकते.
यहाँ पे आप मिल्क को नहीं काउंट कर रहे, यू आर काउंटिंग ग्लासेस है. कितने ग्लासेस हैं? ठीक है, अ ग्लास, 2 glasses, 3 glasses, बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मिल्क ओनली. आप यहाँ पे मिल्क को काउंट नहीं कर सकते कि 1 drop, 2 drop, like even you cannot drop properly. So you cannot count them in numbers. Now we have one more category. One was there na, material noun. Material noun, which are made up of materials. Can you name some material? Gold,
Ma'am, book.
Ma'am, wood.
Cotton, ma'am.
gold, silver, iron,
Ma'am, wood.
Diamond.
Copper.
yes. So these are material nouns which are made up of material like zinc, lead. So many metals are there.
Wood.
Now we have our next category, compound noun. Compound noun is made by combination of 2 or more words. Here we have one word, credit. Credit means beta udhar. And card,
Udhar.
it may be your like cards are the ATM, debit card, ATM card, ID card. So both are different. When you take them as a different, जब आप इन दोनों words को अलग-अलग लेंगे ना, both have some meaning. Credit means udhar and card means udhar. When you combine them, it becomes one new word, credit card. Okay, son-in-law. ठीक है, son word को अगर आप individually लेंगे तो son, law, both have different meaning, but when you combine them, a new meaning is formed with that. So these are compound noun. Can you share some more examples? Friendship,
Yes.
friend and ship, combination of 2 words. Notebook,
Worksheet, ma'am.
yes. Photocopy,
Ma'am, Facebook.
मैम ये आप कंपाउंड नाउन बता रहे हो?
compound noun. We are discussing compound noun now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, is there any do you have any query in this till this page we have done? You can take
Ma'am, compound noun.
compound.
Ma'am, compound noun.
Okay, compound noun when 2 or more words are joined to make a new word. जब भी हम 2 या 2 से ज्यादा words को join करते हैं ना, तो जब हम उनको join करने के बाद, let's take an example. Just 1 minute. Like son means beta, ठीक है? Law, कानून. When we are combining these 3, so son-in-law has a different meaning. Son का meaning अलग है, law का meaning अलग है, लेकिन this whole, when it becomes a one word, it has a different meaning, son-in-law. Okay, so this is a compound noun when we combine them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Like you take a notebook.
Ma'am, एक बार material noun भी बता दो.
Okay, notebook, book which you read, note when you pen down, when you write something, notebook. When you combine them, these 2 notes, ठीक है, note may be anything, note कुछ भी हो सकता है, whatever you write, like you are making a short note, कुछ भी लिखना है, कोई address लिखना है, that note down that. So note and book, when you combine them, it becomes a notebook. That is a different thing, different meaning of notebook. Which one you are saying, but material noun? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Material noun जो किसी material के बने होते हैं, किसी substance के बने होते हैं, like silver. You might have these materials in your science also. Silver, gold,
Yes, ma'am.
iron. Iron is, what iron is?
Material.
Metal.
Metal.
यस, कॉटन। ठीक है, आपको उसके मटेरियल का पता चलता है कि वो किस चीज का बना है। डायमंड, जिंक। देखो जिंक क्या होता है, जब हम ब्रोंज यूज करते हैं ना, ब्रोंज इज अ अलॉय, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू मेटल्स। ये एक अलॉय है, और ये जिंक प्लस लेड, जब हम इन दो मेटल्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो इट बिकम्स अ ब्रोंज। ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'm sharing one PPT with you for common and proper noun. Let's do a collective noun today. Now in couple of days we will cover these types of noun. See in this now,
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
is this clear now?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now check here. We have a lot of collective nouns. ठीक है, जो collective nouns होते हैं ना, that is also further categorized in name of the people, collective noun of people, place, thing and animals. ठीक है, when we combine certain people, so it becomes collective noun of people, animal, things. Now in first slide, just go through this because we are left with 4 minutes only. See, when you study collective nouns, always just check a gang of this portion contain collective noun which are used with the word of gang of. ठीक है, देखो, they are criminals. ठीक है, which we say अपराधी, criminals. ये जो people है ना, if they are criminal, they are workmen. ये workmen है, ये laborers हैं. जब हम इस collective noun को पढ़ते हैं ना, a gang of, ठीक है, फिर जो people है ना, हम उसका नाम लेंगे, लाइक यहाँ पे दे आर थीफ, वी विल राइट हियर थीव्स. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ, तो हमने इस ग्रुप को क्या नाम दिया है, थीव्स के, अ गैंग ऑफ थीव्स, अ गैंग ऑफ वर्कमैन who works in some factories or some place, laborers which have the specialized knowledge to them, prisoners which are already in jail, robbers, the person who robs, लुटेरे, ठीक है, criminal अपराधी, hoodlums and thieves. So these are used with a word gang of. When you will, and in some collective nouns same words are used. Just 1 minute. देखो, जब आप इसको अपनी नोटबुक्स में अपने नोट्स बनाएंगे ना, तो इसको ऐसे अ गैंग ऑफ, ठीक है, मेक अ सर्कल. अ गैंग ऑफ से किस किस को आप ग्रुप करते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन में, थीव्स, ठीक है, क्रिमिनल्स, वर्कमैन. ठीक है, आप इसको इस तरीके से स्टडी करें, इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि अ गैंग ऑफ के साथ आप किन किन नाउन्स को आप कलेक्टिव नाउन ग्रुप करते हैं. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सम ना, अ कॉलोनी, of ants. ठीक है? कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, कुछ नाउन्स जिनको हम दो तरीके से भी यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? Like for ants ना, you will use a colony of ants.
Yes, ma'am.
And second one, anyone? Yes, beta. A group of ant is called a colony of ant. Is there any other way to write it?
A colony of
Yes.
ant.
Yes. तो जैसे आपको अपने नोट्स कैसे प्रिपेयर करने, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू समराइज दैट. आप इनको शॉर्ट कैसे करेंगे. ठीक है? इट विल हेल्प यू बिकॉज सो मेनी कलेक्टेड नाउन्स आर देयर, यू माइट गेट कंफ्यूज. और we have some basic words which are associated with the collective nouns. First of all, try to learn them, like herd, flock. जब भी आप ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स करेंगे ना, तो आपको ये वर्ड्स मिलेंगे. इस तरीके से भी आप अपना कैटेगराइज कर सकते हो. ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स में वी विल यूज दीज वर्ड्स. ठीक है? अब ये आप किसके साथ यूज करना है, यू जस्ट चेक इट लेटर ऑन. यू कैन मेक अनदर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. उसमें आप